So you want to know how to make a video go viral. So I've had quite a few go viral. The biggest one I've had go viral has had over 280 million views. And apart from that one, all my other ones that have gone viral are things where I've been messing about more than being serious. When you do a job and you do it well, you don't usually get that many people comment. And when they do, it's boring. When you upload a video and you do something wrong or you do it not quite how you should do it, you get the trolls coming, and that's when the video will start to go viral. From my experience, whenever I want to try and make some money off of a video or make it go viral, I know in the back of my head that if I do it a bit rough or do it a bit wrong or do a technique that I shouldn't be doing, or it just gets people going. And little do they know, I'm throwing out the bait to bring them in. Do you know what I mean? So any of you people out there trying to make a viral video go viral, do it wrong.